Hey y'all, hope you're having the best day, night, weekend, whenever you see this. I hope it's great. So I had started a project one night and I didn't finish it. And y'all, look what my cat did to it. I don't care. I'm still gonna make it. Do your animals ever, make some magic with your crafts? Drives me crazy. So my husky, she would never mess with anything. But she has such a big tail. Her big tail can swoosh things and cause mischief and havoc without meaning to. And yeah, I mean, that cat, there's cat hair in the most random places on the mats. Now she decided to chew the HTV. The little dog, baby Neil. I don't feel like he's really ever interfered with any crafting yet. Oh my goodness. So let's hope the HTV melts itself back together. And if not, it'll just be that much more funny. I really enjoy making the tea towels. They last a couple months. The towel gets dirty and unusable before the iron-on ever lets up. They make great gifts, or, they're just that nice way to zhuzh up whatever room you put it in. This one will go in the bathroom. I'm going to heat up the easy press and we'll see what becomes of that corner. Okay, y'all, let's see how we did. I did 325, 40 seconds. I gave that as much pressure as I could at the end. Oh, we better give it another hit. I think that Teflon sheet, more pressure. That's what Unbiased said. She's so smart. I'm just not as strong as I used to be. That's why I can't get one of those big swing arm or clamshell presses. The surgery took it out of me, you know? Yeah, so with the Teflon sheet, I should have done probably 330 instead of 325, and I should have probably went for a full 60 seconds with that pressure at the end, but hey, we live, we learn. I really think it's going to look okay, you guys. So I'm just waiting for it to cool. Hey y'all, look, I found our culprit. Say hi, Veruca. Say hi. Alright, I think it's ready to peel. All of those chew marks. And this little kitty. And it did so good. There's one bad spot, right? But the rest? Fix a fail with Veruca and Heather. I hope you like, comment, subscribe. Have a beautiful day.